Remedies presents
6 reasons why you should not toss away your watermelon rinds. Yes, it's true. The rind, that white part of the fruit between the pink flesh and tough green skin, is not only edible but it's a potent source of nutrients that happen to be totally different than those in watermelon flesh. So it's almost like 2 fruits in one. The rind has a surprising amount of health benefits. While it doesn't have a tremendous amount of nutrient, it's high in vitamins B and C. Plus, eating something you typically would have discarded cuts down on waste. Let's now see some of its health benefits. Strengthens the immune system. A single serving of 1 cup of rind offers more than 30% of daily requirement for vitamin C that enhance immune system. Vitamin C stimulates the white blood cells production that acts as a first line of defense against infection and foreign pathogens. Maintain blood pressure. Rind contains high level of potassium that acts as a vasodilator by lowering stress and strain on arteries and blood vessels. It reduces the chances of atherosclerosis, strokes, heart attacks, and coronary heart disease. If your doctor instructed you to lower your blood pressure, try eating watermelon, rind and all. Healthy pregnancy. Research have shown that rind possess natural sugars that helps to minimize symptoms of morning sickness and swelling related with pregnancy, as it has high content of potassium. Libido. Its libido boosting powers come from the amino acid citrulline, which is concentrated in the rind. Research shows that it may help men with mild to moderate erectile dysfunction. It promotes sexual performance with a partner. High in nutrients. The rind possesses large percentage of nutrients, but usually people discard it. It encompasses low calories and high content of vitamin A, vitamin C, potassium, vitamin B6 and zinc. It is loaded with citrulline, chlorophyll, amino acids, lycopene, phenolic compounds and flavonoids. Rich in fiber. Watermelon rind is that it's a rich source of fiber. A diet high in fiber has a whole host of health benefits, including maintaining regular bowel movements and reducing the risk of developing diseases of the colon. How to eat rind. While the rind is edible as is, it might be more appealing if you prepare it by pickling or juicing it. You can make pickled watermelon rind, or for a refreshing way to stay hydrated this summer, opt to juice the rind or simply throw it in a blender and add lime and mint for flavor for a refreshing smoothie treat.
If you liked the video and found it informative and helpful, click the like button and subscribe to my channel for new videos daily. Don't forget to press the bell icon to be notified whenever I publish a new video. Share on your social networks to help others benefit from it too. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.